Which of the following is not logically equivalent to this statement? So let's try to solve this. When this knot is transferred from this position to this position, this there exist will be converted to for all x naught, for all y alpha, and for all z beta. Now using De Morgan's law, this will be evaluated not for all y alpha or not for all z beta using the concept P imply Q is equivalent to not P or Q. See, this is similar to this thing, so not this thing for all y, this whole will become P, this whole will become Q according to this formula. For all y alpha imply not for all z beta. For all, as it is, we will write here, I think option, this matches with option B. Now let's see, write this statement again. Here we will write this term first, for all. Now we will write this term before, for all z beta, or, and this term will be written here, not for all alpha. Now again using the same formula, I can write this for all z beta imply not for all y alpha. Now again you will see carefully, this term matches with, I think, this term, that is B. How? This knot will be transferred from this place to this place. This become, this for all become, there exists y not alpha implication for all z beta whole for all x. Now this will become option B. This is actually option C, which is not logically equivalent. So option A and option D is not logically equivalent. B and C are logically equivalent. So A and D are correct answer.